He's still making the connect. He's still making the connect.
Alright, what's the connect?
Where's the connect? Where's connect?
Where's
I hate all of you!
Where's connect? Where's connect, bro?
Soldier and Arsenal.
Medic took 99. Medic's dead.
Soldier's weak.
I'm really weak at anything here. Literally anything.
Fuck.
What the fuck is that guy doing?
Finish cap.
I'm gonna try to spawn camp you, dot. I'm gonna run up behind him.
I'm already fighting him. He took 100. I'm kinda weak though.
It's coming cheese.
That was a
Easy.
zero.
Who traps that?
Wait, go lower team. Go lower team.
Okay, yeah.
Oh my god, there's no way.
I got crit by
Stop,
something.
I'm so sorry.
We just want all
Whatever,
in.
dude.
Get a sniper
Oh,
top
all
left.
Yeah, super well.
I'm gonna get the drop down. I'll try and help you.
He had 20 HP. He would have literally died from literally anything if anyone was watching that.
They have 2 snipers.
Wait, they have two.
What the fuck? 2 sniper.
Watch this, I win.
You win these days. Wait, you actually do. Dude, my goat. Why don't they aim? Push and then I back up.
Give me a big buff before
Demo took 30.
Where are you?
Demo took another 30. Scout took 30. Soldier's
bombing.
piped! Soldier's dead!
Beam's lower. Beam's lower, guys. Beam's lower. Beam's lower.
Madden scout lower.
Used.
Give us
Oh my god, you're
This is just the slipperiest fucking demo alive.
Wait.
Soldier's shot.
I'm super slow.
I'm the lobby.
committed.
Soldier behind
Soldier
us.
bombing.
Fuck, how does he get in our
I'm
kitchen?
dead.
How is there a
He's
soldier
still
in our
He's
kitchen?
slow.
Right now.
Can you guys get in?
Yeah,
I'm in. You guys get in.
Again. Shooting soldier and cap.
Oh, I'm dead.
Is being contested.
Whoa. That pillar there, am I right? I got confused.
It's this, by the way. Like hard this.
Wait, I'm gonna through mid. I'll snipe this bitch.
I just keep killing that dude.
Nice.
Just got fucking destroyed. I'm going lower.
They have a trap on Saw. Like on the Saw inside of Saw. So don't eat the Saw because there's a trap on Saw.
80.
That's facts.
Wait, where's the trap? What?
On Saw, inside of Saw, there's traps on Saw, inside of Saw. No, don't put your traps! I was just about
To bomb me.
Demo. That's
From our crate.
That fucking rolled in lunchbox.
Here comes.
Scott's at 100.
He's dead.
Nice fight. Have a timing.
Good.
Good time.
Just swap them for me.
Oh.
Okay.
That's what I thought. You don't hit.
They bombed.
Demo's fight, Demo dead.
That was fucked.
What's that? Was the
I need arrow.
Thank you. But I got you.
My house.
Just call my bomb valley if they're valley.
40.
Zero died. I'm in our valley.
Medic drop.
Gang, we're oh! We're fighting this. We're fighting this shit.
I'm
Nice.
walking.
Soldiers on our truck.
You guys are beasts.
I got you.
Big damage outside of
70?
IT. Soldier,
Yeah.
Demo out.
Soldier bombing.
I'm gonna peek two.
I'm low.
What?
A second.
2 players in the back.
Sit down.
Look on me.
Control point is being contested.
I didn't need your help, you know.
Alright, I'm
Reinsert all my bullshit. I decided I think I have.
Run this John.
Let's run this joint. This is a good song. I forgot about that one.
Go left.
Ibuki, I like your banner.
Can I hit anything? My band would pretty sexy.
like 0 hours of sleep. I stayed up all night because it was my off day from work.
Yeah.
I had him main call on Flank Scout, and he made fun of me because I decided to emote because I was the only one alive, but I didn't emote on point and ended up losing mid.
Bro, Hero made me a fucking wrap with hummus, onions, zucchini, and chicken. Chicken.
The man. The legend. That's great.
We have alert our control points.
Why is he so chunky? Just like
You play spy. Ruin someone's day. They're only running minis. Use.
Oh, I almost dropped kinetic. Oh, there we go.
oh my god, we were surrounded by them. We were surrounded by them.
Gonna kill the last one.
No way, I got out of here! Dude, I juked them.
I think Luigi gets too loud because he's a Sixes player. He knows stability is hurt. Are you hurt? Video, dude. There he is. There he goes. There he
Oh, come on. Give it to me.
Are you catching me?
Yeah, I hit you with my wrench in midair, though.
That's what I thought.
I'm gonna have less respect.
That poor demo.
Oh god!
You almost died.
I did because it bounced back.
Oh fuck, Ricardo's going to Pata.
Fuck you!
Yeah, I don't care what we drive to, I'm good with it.
Someone took 100. There's soldier left house. I got bombed.
Soldier red house, I'm dead.
The scout left house. Just two left.
I'm getting scout behind.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're building.
Med's right here! Let's use it on him, let's use it on him! Med's right here, Med's right here! Come over to me, come over to me!
DJ, okay, I got forced. Oh shit.
The Med was right here! I should call the shooter, we could've fucked. Are we in? Walk with me on last.
I'm in. I got split.
On last.
I used on mine.
Nice. Fuck, I'm dead. Lovely.
That's right!
I'm not dead. How many shots does it? How many shots are you gonna
I cannot fucking shoot this.
He's too skinny, man.
You're down 2 soldiers, so okay. Wait, really hatchery.
I used.
They dropped. Nice, holy shit.
Team's an ally.
Give me 300, I'll bomb.
Soldier
I'm bombing now.
Medic
Med dropped.
We can just steal a scout. Drop down.
Bitch, sit down. Be humble.
Try not to let them cap. Outside.
Nice.
Let her scale up past tip 70.
Soldiers on their house. They're walking.
Both soldiers coming now. Soldiers repair wood. Oh my god, I'd be.
Get them. Hey, they deaded, they deaded.
Soldiers bombing now, Here, bro. Oh my god. That's my bad.
Oh, we.
Look, 50.
Crazy. What? We're gonna be slate this out here.
Yeah, I just heard him call.
Game's coming left, I think.
They don't know that though. They don't know that. Nice. They might 4-man.
Yeah. I'm through on left house.
It took space on mid.
That's dead. That's dead.
You don't have space.
Oh, okay. Let's go to 90.
That's one.
I can touch your house.
We did.
One soldier took 60.
Switching on point.
On our disc. You don't need no help. That's the way it is, baby.
Soldier 50 on point, dead.
Nice, okay.
Wait, Jay Marshall.
Sentry up ahead! Sentry coming up!
I have my freaking movie.
I have one screen, by the way, guys. I'm sorry. I can only pay for one.
It's okay. We can pay for you.